Hello there. India's highways promise express mobility, but are fast becoming corridors of chaos. With 1.8 lakh road deaths in 2024, mostly from lane violations and unsafe overtaking, it's time to ask, are our roads fast enough to kill but not safe enough to save? Let's let's discuss the data and solutions with me, Shivli Das. India's sprawling highway network is both a symbol of progress and a growing safety nightmare at the same time. In 2024 alone, nearly 1,80,000 people lost their lives in road accidents. It's alarming. It's a 40% increase from dangerous overtaking on the wrong side. The menace doesn't end here. Over 70,000 fatalities stemmed from left side overtaking, while two-wheeler riders without helmets contributed to 30,000 more deaths. Shockingly, 60% of truck drivers admit to hogging the rightmost lane, which is designed for fast-moving traffic, usually increasing collision risk. NH16's grim statistics underscore the problem. It highlights the problem. Several accidents and a 27% fatality rate, much of it due to poor lane discipline. Through my internal research, my personal research reports, one truth stands out: without stronger enforcement, smarter monitoring, sharper awareness, India's highway will remain lethal. Solutions lie in AI-powered surveillance to track violations in real time and stricter penalties, really strict penalties for lane indiscipline, and public campaigns that make road etiquette as critical as seat belts. Our highways can fuel notional development, but only if discipline matches design. India must choose chaos or control. 1.8 lakh road deaths in 2024, reported 40% due to wrong side overtaking, 70,000 deaths from left side overtake, 60% truckers misuse right lane. NH16 reported 320 accidents, 27% fatality. AI monitoring plus awareness, safer roads is the solution. Now, can artificial intelligence, law and order, and public awareness fix India's deadly highway, or is discipline our biggest roadblock? As always, share your thoughts. Should slow the vehicles and it should be banned from the fast lane, or should heavier vehicles should not be allowed in the fast lane completely? How do we balance speed with safety? It lies with us also. The onus lies with us. Let's debate how to reclaim our highways from chaos. To like, share, subscribe our channel and your side of the story.